Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles for You. And today I'm going to show you how to draw a transgender flag heart. So I think this is going to look really nice when it's done. So we're going to start with the shape of a heart. So I usually don't sketch things out in pencil first. I usually go straight in with a pen or a marker. But I don't know, I was feeling like using a pencil here right now. All right, so we've got our heart shape. All right, so now we're going to draw 4 lines going across. So we can try our best to make them about the same width, but doesn't have to be the same width. That's okay if they're not. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So now I'm going to draw over my pencil lines now with my black pen. And after I go over it with my black pen, I'm going to erase my pencil lines. And actually, I might even go over these lines after with a black marker, just to make it kind of stand out more and make it really pop. Okay, so now I'm going to erase those pencil lines. And now let's start coloring. All right, everyone, we are finished our transgender flag heart. I think it turned out really nice. Let me know in the comments below what you think, and also let me know what you would like to learn how to draw. All right, folks, hope you have an awesome day. I will see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Goodbye.